In this video, I'm diving into a full review of Tradeify, a futures prop firm that's been growing fast and attracting more futures traders over the past year. If you're looking into Tradeify evaluation accounts, instant funding, payout rules, or drawdown limits, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Tradeify launched in 2024, and over the past year, it's quietly become a go-to futures prop firm for many traders. They've adjusted their account structures multiple times, refined their rules, and toward the end of last year, they hosted the Tradeify Cup, which brought a lot more visibility to the platform across the futures trading space. From a platform perspective, Tradeify supports Tradeify, and you can also trade their accounts through NinjaTrader. Tradeify offers two main account models. You have evaluation accounts, and you also have instant funding accounts. Account sizes range from $25,000 all the way up to $150,000. With instant funding accounts, you're trading directly toward payouts. With evaluation accounts, there are two paths: growth accounts, which are 1 day to pass, and select accounts, which require 3 trading days. Let's talk about what all Tradeify accounts have in common. Most accounts offer weekly payouts, and one account type offers daily payouts. All accounts use an end-of-day drawdown, and none of them have activation fees. One important thing here is contract sizing. Across all account types, the maximum number of contracts is the same. It doesn't matter whether you're trading a growth account, a select account, or an instant funded account. For example, on a $50,000 account, you always have access up to 4 minis or 40 micros. Contract limits are tied purely to account size, not the account model. You can run up to 5 accounts at the same time, and the profit split is always 90% to you and 10% to Tradeify. Growth accounts are labeled as 1 day to pass. Each account has a 35% consistency rule, which is reasonable relative to the account sizes. There's also a minimum profit requirement for a day to count as a trading day. On a $50,000 account, that minimum is $150. Now, let's look at payouts. On a $50,000 growth account, the minimum payout is $500. The maximum first payout is $1,500, and you can request that once you reach $3,000 in profit. What makes these payouts interesting is how they scale. After multiple payouts, that same $50,000 account can request $3,000 payouts, which is double the initial payout cap. Next are select accounts. These require 3 trading days because of a 40% consistency rule. But here's the key difference. Once you're funded, there is no consistency rule at all. After passing the evaluation, you choose between a daily payout account or a weekly payout account. On a $50,000 account, both options have the same maximum drawdown of $2,000. The difference is that the daily payout account includes a $1,000 daily loss limit, while the weekly payout account does not. Both select accounts use buffer levels. On the daily payout account, payouts come from profits above the buffer, with a maximum payout of $1,000 per request. On the weekly payout account, you first need to reach the buffer, and then you can request 50% of your total profits, capped at $3,000. Let's walk through a clear example so this makes sense. Let's say both traders have made $2,500 in profit. On the daily payout account, the trader can request $400. That amount comes from profits above the $2,100 buffer. On the weekly payout account, the buffer level has already been reached, so the trader can request 50% of the total profit, which in this case is $1,250. Now, both traders continue trading, and their total profit increases to $4,000. On the daily payout account, the trader can request $1,000, which is the maximum payout allowed. On the weekly payout account, the trader can request $2,000. In other words, on the weekly payout account, you can always request 50% of the profit above the starting balance, as long as the payout stays below the $3,000 cap. This is where the daily payout account becomes very interesting. If you're a trader who holds positions longer and occasionally has big winning days, there's a feature that gives you more flexibility with payouts. Let's say you already have profits built up on the account. To request the next $1,000 maximum payout, you only need to make $500 in new profits. The remaining $500 comes from profits that are already on the account. In other words, between payouts, you can withdraw up to 2 times what you actually trade, as long as you already have enough profits on the account. Both select account types include scaling. On a $50,000 account, you start with 2 minis or 20 micros, Once profits exceed $2,000, you unlock the full 4 minis or 40 micros. Now let's look at Lightning-funded accounts. These stand out because the consistency rule scales over time. It starts at 20%. After the first payout, it increases to 25%. After the third payout, it reaches 30%, which is the maximum. These accounts also use profit targets. On a $50,000 account, you need $3,000 in profit for the first payout. Each payout after that requires an additional $2,000. The minimum payout is $1,000, and payouts scale upward on most account sizes, except the $25,000 account. Overall, these are solid instant funding options for traders who want to skip evaluations. Tradeify can move traders to live accounts at any stage. Personally, I've received multiple payouts from them, and they've been very fast. Right now, payouts can be processed through Rise or Plain. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more content like this, like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. Take care.